to KCPS Homeroom, and today we're at Science City. You'll be able to visit Science City with your parents, and all the young inquisitive minds can come and create, explore, and experiment with the world of science through interactive activities and non-stop fun. There's nearly 100,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor experiments, exhibits, and activities. There's something for everyone to do, from the youngest of learners, including 4 new spaces dedicated for early childhood through infants to 6-year-olds.
Engage in the learning of every last drop. This interactive exhibit entices discovery and curiosity. Gravity makes water flow down and ultimately takes the path that it can flow. Here's the Archimedes Screw. It's a form of positive displacement pump. The vortex, when the fluid is traveling around the hole, you can start to see it twirl around in that hole. We're moving over to the water table. You will see it uses slits that are able to manipulate the direction that the water is flowing. Balls and rubber ducks are then used to show where the water is flowing. When the water flows over sand or soil, it picks up pieces of that sand or soil and sometimes sediments that move it to different locations. Our water molecules are hanging from the ceiling to represent the individual water molecules and what they actually look like. Here's our table again. It helps to show the flow of the water in whatever grooves or indentations that are in our earth surfaces that constantly reshape and make those paths and the grooves that makes the water move along. You could change the slits to change the path and see how gravity takes water in a different direction. Why do you think it's important to recycle water? Do you think that we can use clean water before it's used again? And what are the limitations that we have for filtering clean water? We can use rocks and all different types of ways to filter the water. Let's take a look at all the elements of every last drop. There is the Archimedes screw again. It is able to force the fluid down as it moves along the spiral or the helix. Being able to predict the direction of the water and how it's flowing helps it be necessary so that we could find a clean water source. Here's a fun fact. Bacteria is used to clean water. Did you know that? Because they decompose dangerous chemicals, organic matter that may be in water, and so they use the bacteria to help us have healthy, clean water. How about this? Water has been recycled for civilization since the Bronze Age. And lastly, wastewater was originally used in irrigation water and to fertilize crops. Humans have been trying to purify water for thousands of years. Now, science of the season, the theme for December. Here are a few of our activities. Here comes Santa Claus air pressure. Watch Science City educators demonstrate how high to low pressure systems push large loads like Santa through narrow chimneys. Next, make and take fake polymer snow. Work with super absorbent polymer like the ones used in astronaut diapers. And finally, sew a snowflake cord keeper. While our Maker Studio educators will teach some basic sewing skills. Let's find out how you can make cord keepers, and help your earbuds work. Thank you for visiting Science City. Come and explore again.